Hey guys, it's Flip. I've had a lot of comments and questions on my retaining wall video, so I wanted to do just a quick little update video to give you some more information about this wall and walls in general, and just to show you what I've done since posting that original video. So one question or comment I've gotten a lot is this downspout on the left side of the wall and the drain pipe in the middle of the wall that comes out of my sump pump in the basement. People have asked, where is this water going to go? Well, you definitely do not want to drain water behind the wall, and I mentioned at the end of the last video that I was going to add extensions onto these, so I'll go ahead and show you what those look like now. On the downspout, I just added a simple flexible extension to help the water get up and over the wall and away from the foundation. The more water you can keep from going behind your wall, the better. For my drain pipe that comes out of my sump pump, I just added a piece of clear braided tubing that blends in with the landscaping pretty well. So another question I've gotten a lot is about water drainage. People have asked me, why didn't you put a drainage pipe behind the wall, or when should you put a drainage pipe behind a wall? So I'll just say this, adding a perforated drain pipe behind a wall is always a good idea. It's never going to hurt. The more steps you can take to reduce that force or weight pushing on the wall, the better. But in my case, my wall is only a foot high at its highest point. And that's why the video is just titled How to Build a Simple Retaining Wall. This wall has several inches of pea gravel underneath it, and it's got gravel several inches deep behind it, going up most of the height of the wall. That's enough to help with drainage for this wall. Plus, this style of retaining wall blocks are designed to weep, so that's going to help water get out from behind the wall. As retaining walls get higher and higher, drainage gets more important because that weight pushing on the wall increases. So adding a drainage pipe and things like filter fabric to keep the dirt out of your gravel is always a good idea, but it becomes more necessary the taller your wall gets. So a good rule of thumb is around 4 feet. If your wall is going to be 4 feet or higher, you definitely want drainage pipe. If you want to be extra cautious, just call it 3 feet. Also, if the ground behind the wall is sloping down towards the wall and you're going to have water naturally draining towards it, or if your wall is terraced, you definitely want to add drainage pipe. But for a simple flower bed retaining wall, what I showed in the original video is plenty. People have also asked about adhesive caulk. Again, when you're under a couple feet like this, it's not really necessary. The exception would be if you think people are going to be sitting or standing on the wall, then you might want to add that just to be safe. But for the most part, in a short wall like this, the weight of the blocks and the dirt will hold them in place. So hopefully this video helped you out and maybe cleared some things up for you. If it did, please hit that thumbs up button for me. If you have additional comments or questions, please put them underneath the video. Thanks for watching.